Hey Nailholics, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Nail Addicts Los Angeles Sea Swing and Sun Gel Polish. It's like this really nice nude base color, and I'm currently on the hunt to find the perfect nude for my press-on nails. I'm looking for a nude that kind of mimics the look of acrylic. And this video is not sponsored, by the way. I bought this with my own money. So for this set, I'm using the Nail Addicts Sea Swing and Sun, and then I have two different shades of blue from the DND Color Change Gel Polish collection. And then I also have the DND White Fur Gel Polish as well. I'm going to be using medium length square tips for this set. And I'm going to be prepping the nail tips with the Mia Secret Nail Prep. So I'm already loving the way this nude polish is looking on the nail. I love the fact that it's really like jelly and kind of see-through, because I think when the base polish is like that, it looks a lot more natural when you apply it. So now I wanted to go ahead and show you guys the inspiration for this set that I'm about to do. It's kind of like this droopy evil eye design, and I looked through a couple of photos on Instagram, and I also Googled the actual evil eye itself as well. And I will link my inspiration in the description box below so you guys can check it out. And as you can see, I'm applying some gel polish to my little crystal plate right here. And then I'm gonna pour 100% pure acetone into this little dabbing dish. And I also am gonna be using my number 2 Macart nail art detail brush to do this design. And I know my brush is tore up, but please don't judge me. I've had this for such a long time, and I wanna get some new ones, but I just haven't gotten around to it yet. Now, I actually ended up not going back to reference the photos as much as I thought I would, because as I was doing it, I realized that this design is just kind of random and abstract anyway, so it wasn't really necessary for me to like keep going back and forth. So I don't actually have any kind of special method for what I'm doing here. I'm just kind of doing random lines and random curves and just kind of hoping that it turns out good. And I completely forgot to add in my black gel polish at the beginning of the video. So right here, you'll see me grab my black gel polish from Caramia. The number is 072, and I will have all of this in the description box in case anyone's interested. But I'm gonna be using that black to make the pupil of the evil eye. I'm gonna use a regular dotting tool so that I can get that perfect circle. And now that the design is complete, I can go ahead with my NailholicStudio shiny top coat to finish the set off. So I actually did the rest of this set off camera, and now you can see me putting them in order on the table. And at this time, I actually decided that I wanted to add some evil eye charms to this, and I decided that I wanted to pierce the nails as well, just to kind of like spice the setup a little bit, because I don't know, it was just kind of basic and I just wanted to add a little something extra. So you can see me lining them up, and I'm just kind of moving the charm around to see where I want to dangle it from. And then I also got some silver hoops because, like I said, I also want to pierce some of the nails as well. So when you pierce your nails, you want to alter the side that you put the holes on. So for example, if you have like the left hand, you'll put the holes on the left side of the nails. If you have your right hand, you'll put the hoops on the right side of the nail. And I actually ended up messing up when I was piercing the holes. As you can see, I actually did the hole too high up on one of the nails, and I ended up having to remake that whole nail so that I can redo the holes. So this is the replacement nail that you see me working on right now. And I'm just showing you the difference between the one I messed up on and the new one. And the color is lighter because, like I said, I used the DND Color Change polish. And since it's just coming directly from out of the lamp, it's at a warmer temperature, and so the color is lighter. Now we are working on the fun part of this set. I'm applying the hoops to the nails. Like my favorite part of doing nails is the end, because I just love seeing the results. I just love seeing how it turns out. I love to accessorize. This is my absolute favorite part of doing nails. It's just, I don't know, it's just something so satisfying about seeing everything all come together, because you know, sometimes the process be looking crazy, and that's why people say, you know, you got to trust the process. because at the end the results is just always so amazing to me. And now you see me adding my little dangle, and here it is, you guys. What do you think? Do you love it? I absolutely love it. So now you see me applying the nails to my nail card. And now we're done, you guys. I'm so excited. I absolutely love how it turned out. I'm in love with this color, and I went ahead and got my heat gun so that I could show you the color change. So when it gets hot, it's lighter, and when it's cold, it gets darker. So thanks so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Let me know what you think about this set in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe.